Welcome to Muddy River Distillery's YouTube channel, the oldest legal rum distillery in the Carolinas. I'm Robbie Delaney, and this is our new location, the historic Mount Holly Cotton Mill. Subscribe to this channel because we're going to show you everything that we do as a small company, our team on a daily basis, producing rum, selling rum, making different products, drinking rum. We're going to show you the restoration of this old building, how we take it from a mill to a distillery, not just a distillery, but a distillery with a cocktail bar and a restaurant, an event space, and an ample parking and places for festivals and events and things like that. We do crazy things in this restoration, like tear out old floors and fix windows and build walls and stuff. So stay tuned, like the channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It's really exciting what we got going on here. Thank you for watching. Don't be dumb, drink Carolina rum.